Okay, so solve na lang tayo ng problem. LP5. I think marami na lang nabigay na concentration. Yung iba dun mahihirap talaga. But anyway, unahin nyo muna yung mga madadali, of course. Pag nakakaya nyo na, maybe you can try the hard ones. Okay, that's my advice. Kasi ako, depende lang din sa trip ko kung mahirap kung madali. Or minsan, tinitingnan ko kung kaya ba ng mga estudyante, mga students, if some of the students are really good, then I push. I give the hard ones. Of course. So that you would always be challenged. I think this would be much easier than the previous ones that I gave for. I think that was the old videos that I used, since in analytical chemistry it's basically analysis chemistry, but same things. There are problems which pertains to like this what do you call this, concentrations. So chapter 5, concentrations, dilution, colligative properties. I think the harder ones are solution stoichiometry. Okay, this one is concentration. Calculate the amount of water in grams that must be added to 5 grams of urea in the preparation of 16.2% by mass solution. So for letter A, 16.2 and 5 grams is given. So 16.2, we have to write it as 16.2%. So you have where about you need 16.2 mass percent, and then 16.2 mass percent solution, then 5 grams of urea in that solution. Okay, so 5 grams of urea in that solution. So 5 grams of urea. So urea is a solid. The solid is a fertilizer. So that is the urea, NH2 2CO. Okay, so it's an organic. It's an inorganic one. Organic. Yes, it's an organic compound. Because of the carbon. But anyway, 5 grams, 16.2%. If I solve this with the formula, unahin ko muna yung hindi formula. I'll start with 5 grams. I'll start with 5 grams of urea, and then your problem is yung how many water in grams. Okay, so if I'll start with urea 5 grams, so basically I want to compute the mass of water. Palakayin ko na lang. I want to compute the mass of water, and then I have I'll start with 5 grams of urea, diba? And then I'll make the 16.2% as a conversion factor. Okay, so the 16.2 is usually what I will do is I will put, because this 16.2 is the grams of urea per 100 grams of solution. So I will say 16.2 grams of urea per 100 grams of solution. But to make it simpler, because from solution, anyway, it is a conversion factor. Pwede kasi natin idiretso na tubig kaagad. But I can also say that for every 100 gram of solution, I have the water, because dalawa lang naman sila, hindi naman nagsabi na meron pang ibang component, diba? Hindi naman nagsabi. So for letter A, yung urea lang na inad mo sa water. So basically, sinasabi lang dito na yung water dito must be 100 minus 16.2. Okay? At yun na yung gram ng H2O mo. Okay? So sinolve ko siya ng by 1 lang. Okay? So that would give us 5 times, pwede lang natin actually cancelin to. Ito sila. So yung matitira sa taas is 100 minus 16.2. Tapos i-divide natin ng 16.2. makikita natin na yung unit na niyan is grams of water, which is 25 in how many figures? You have 3 significant figures. So 25.9 grams of urea. Sorry. Grams of water. Water na kasi yung unit dito. And that's what we're trying to find. The grams of water. So, if sinolve ko siya ng using formula, so, dito tayo. The 16.2, the mass percent, diba? Daanan nyo yung formulang mass percent. Mass all over mass, yun yung usually na formula ko. Ito yung tinatawag na mass percent is equal to the mass ng dito na case is urea yung solute. Okay? Urea all over mass ng solution times 100%. Kung ito yung gagamitin natin, of course, gaganituhin ko by formula. 16.2% is equal to mass ng urea is binigay 5 grams of urea. And then, dito sa baba is, mass ng solution is mass ng urea. Mass ng urea, 5 grams of urea. Diba? Plus, mass ng H2O. Diba? And then, multiplied by 100%. So, ito yung gagawin ko pag when I'm thinking of a formula. Okay? So, but, dapat pareho pa rin yan, of course. Dito, pwede na tayong gumamit rin ng solver. So, tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung mabilis sa inyo. So, sa calculator kasi, gagawin lang natin tong x. So, magbibigay na yan siya. 16.2 solver alpha x equals to 5. Tapos sa baba, 5 plus alpha x. Tapos, times 100. So, ganito yung, di ko pala mapapakita. So, diniretso ko siya sa calculator. Yun lang. Di ko alam paano siya ipapakita. Shift solve. And then, it will give us X, which is mass of H2O. So, sa calculator, diniretso ko na to ha. Nagbigay siya ng 25.9 grams of H2O. So, yun yung, kung nag-iisip naman ako ng formula. Mula rito, pwede ko rin siyang manumanuhin. Kung di nyo kaya yung solver, but I do believe you really have to know how to use the solver. So, ganito yung mangyayari dyan. 16.2, of course, madidivide to kasi pareho sila ng unit. 100%, diba? Mag-over to. Tapos, ito siya. Teka. Baliktarin ko na lang. Ilabas ko dito si 5 grams kasi algebra to, diba? So, I hope talaga maka-adjust kayo ng algebra kaagad. Kasi yan din yung titingnan sa calculus nyo. 5 grams of urea, yun na lang ha. Plus the mass of H2O is equal to dito 5 grams U and then 100% all over 16.2%. Parang ganun siya. Okay? Tapos, ibig sabihin, yung mass ng H2O mo, ito siya lilipat sa kabila sa magiging 5 grams urea 100 over 16.2 minus 5 grams. So, ganun siya. So, kakalculator na naman natin. 5 times 100 divided by 16.2. So, yung lalabas dito sa kabila is 30.864 minus 5 grams. So, makikita natin na minus 5. Lalabas na naman yung 25.9 grams ng H2. So again, itong solution na to is inalgebra ko. Okay? Itong solution na to is sinolver ko. Okay? At itong solution na una, ito is ginamitan ko lang siya ng concept ng first topic natin, which is conversion factor. Okay, so you can really do that. So bahala ka na kung ano yung pinakamabilis sa'yo. Okay, may oras pa. And then next is 26.2 grams of MgCl2 magnesium chloride in the preparation of 1.5% by mass solution. So, ano yung gusto? So, isa na lang to. Isang style na lang. Gagawin ko is kailangan ko ng 26.2 daw. 26.2 grams of magnesium chloride. So, grams of magnesium chloride. Lade.
Maka-transfer ako, nakabuto kasi dito, diri real time ito transfer. Diri pa rin ako lang mag-transfer nga ako muna. Pag-send ito, diretso ito ito makukuha.
Sige, lalo na yan, God. Adi pa nagtatrabaho man ako.
Kaya pa, diri ito oras pa, inadlaw.
What?
So, pero i-try na lang yan. Di mo kinagmakasamot kung diri mag-testingan. Bama kung diri mo ito makuha. Diri bukas na lang ako, Palawan na lang.
Palawan? Gutom lanay. Sige lang, di lang makaon, God. Boss na lang. Sige di. Sige, makato ko mausala, tapos malakat ako. Sige. Kitaan ko dito. Sige. Sige. Ay, sorry. Nag-record pala ako. May tumawag. Ay, nako. So, 1.5% by mass. So, ganun lang. 1.5% by mass. 1.5%. Ganun pa rin. Tubig pa rin yung kinukompute. So, ano ba yung style natin? Yung solver yata yung pinakamadali. Mag-solver na lang ako. Ibig sabihin, mayroon akong 1.5% dito is equal to 26.2 grams of MgCl2. Sir, bakit nalalaman mo na siya kasi siya yung solute. Again, dapat alam nyo kung sinong solute. Of course, the water is the solvent. Tapos, yung mass ng solute at saka solvent, 26.2 grams, plus mass of H2O is yung mass ng solution. At yun yung formula niya sa baba. Mass ng solution. Times 100%. So, makukuha na mass of H2O that would be needed for that, malaki to. So, kasi 1.5% lang eh. 1.5 alpha equals, again, diretso sa calculator yung solver, 26.2, and then sa baba is 26.2 plus alpha x, and then 100. Just shift solve, yun. Can't solve. Uy, bakit can't solve? Magta-times ako dito. Shift solve. Bakit ayaw mo mag-solve? Ito pala. So, that would give us 1,720 grams of H2O. Okay? So, ito yung ina-ask niya. Okay, so I guess hindi na ako maglalagay ng ibang solution for this. For letter B. This letter B. Okay? So, itong 12.16. Okay, thank you guys for listening.